Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef tri-tip roast in my air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have a tri-tip here. This one was $5.49 a pound, which is not a bad price these days. I've been seeing them for $10.99 or $11.99 a pound. This one is trimmed. Some of them are untrimmed and there's a whole bunch of fat on the underside. Like when you take them out, there'd be like a pound of fat underneath. But I like the trimmed ones when I can find them. And this one is 2.41 pounds, so total price was $13.23. So, get it out of here. And see what the bottom looks like. Alright. Oh yeah, it's nice. Not much fat at all on the underside there. Nice and trimmed up. So it should fit in my 10-inch cast iron skillet here. Let me move this over so we can see it better. I'm just going to season both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm going to put this oven meat thermometer right in the center of it here so I can tell when it's done. I just like to cook these to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. And I should be able to see that right through the oven glass. I put the oven rack right in the middle and I set the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit on the air roast setting. And I'll just keep an eye on that till the temperature is around 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 40 minutes and the internal temperature is about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it doesn't look like it's getting very much color on the outside, so what I'm going to do now is switch it to air fry at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and just cook it at that temperature for a few minutes. It'll give it some more color on the outside, kind of like a reverse sear when you cook something on the grill. It's been about 4 minutes. I don't want to overcook this. Looks like the internal temperature is about 130. I'm going to get that out of there. This has been resting for about 10 or 15 minutes and my internal temperature climbed up to 140. So it climbed about 10 degrees since I pulled it out of the oven. That usually happens, or it happens a lot. So a lot of times you want to pull it out a little bit sooner than the done temperature you want. The grain on this meat runs this way on that half, and on this side it runs more this way. So I'm going to cut it right in half right there and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. That's not bad. This is real juicy. You can see the juice on the plate there. The grain's running this way, so I'm going to slice off some pieces going against the grain here. It looks pretty darn good to me. Let's try a bite. That came out real good. I thought I might have overcooked it a little bit, but it's real tender and juicy. See what Annie thinks here. Want to try some tri-tip, Annie? There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. That worked out good cooking at the lower heat like that, but I noticed it was still a little bit gray looking on the top at the end. So cranking the heat up for the last 3 or 4 minutes really browned it up nicely. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.